The notes that you write may be very, very important for you, and you may not want others to misuse it. So in that case, what you can do is to make sure that only you are accessing your account, you may want to check out your access history. So to do that, you need to go around under settings right here. And once you go around under settings, you can go around onto login and security. And from over here, you can click on go to your profile right here. Once you do that, what happens is that you get access onto the security page right here, and you can access the access history page right here to see when and where your account is accessed from. And you can even see like multiple logins that may be there in a day. So I mostly use Evernote Web and Windows, so I know that this is okay. But if you notice some other location that then that you use to log into the account, or maybe an application, or let's say a different software that is being used to access, then you'll be notified right here. And then to make sure that the other person does not have access anymore, you can change out their username and password and your associated phone number as well for future protection. So that is how you can utilize the access history inside of Evernote. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.